Now what we're going to do is we're ready to tackle one of these by breaking our problem up without using the area model. But you might still think of that while we're going along. Now we'd like to solve 5 multiplied by 347. So what we're going to do is we're going to break 347 up into numbers that equal 347 when we add them together. Now a great way to do this is the hundreds, the tens and the units. And you'll see why a bit later. So 347 is actually equal to 300 plus 40 plus 7. So we can now multiply each of those numbers by 5. So we've got 3 smaller problems. We've got 5 multiplied by 300 plus 5 multiplied by 40 plus 5 multiplied by 7. Now we have to remember to multiply each of the parts by 5. If we multiply 5 by 300, and this is where you'll see why we chose hundreds, I can actually think of 5 threes are 15, and 1500 is my answer because it's 300. So 5 threes are 15, 5 300s are 1500. Plus I've got 5 multiplied by 40. 5 fours are 20, but that's 40, which is 4 tens. So 20 tens is actually 200. But because we used 40, a number in the tens, we actually made our multiplication easier. Now the last one is 5 multiplied by 7. Haven't really got any special tricks for that one. Maybe 10 sevens are 70 and then halve it. Or you might know, 5 sevens are 35. So we actually made 3 smaller problems that were much more manageable. I've never been able to solve my 347 times tables, but I can solve my 3s, my 4s and my 7s, and then think about place value. Now let's add these together. I'm going to do it in parts. 1500 plus 200 is 1700. So again, I'm thinking of hundreds. And then I need to add on 35. 1735 is 1735. So 5 multiplied by 347 is 1735.